Life is short, but when you're young, it feels like time stretches endlessly ahead. You're busy building dreams, chasing goals, ticking off your to-do list. You think you have all the time in the world. But let's stop for a second. How much time do you really have? If you're lucky, you've got about 80 to 90 years. Sounds like a lot, right? But here's the thing. When you subtract the first 20 years spent lost in a bubble of childhood, and another 10 figuring out how to survive in the adult world, you're already down to 50 years. 50. 50 summers. 50 times to play Monopoly with your family on Christmas Day. That's not so much, is it? As you get older, your family becomes more distant. You'll see them less. Maybe just once or twice a year. You might be on your phone when you are with them. And before you know it, you've missed those moments. And they might be gone. The time with your loved ones won't come back. Here's the thing. You'll probably never be on your deathbed thinking, I wish I'd worked harder. No. You'll be thinking, I wish I'd spent more time with the people who matter most. The only people who will remember those long work hours are the ones who love you, your family, not your boss, not your coworkers. They won't even remember your name when you're gone. So, how do we spend our time wisely? First, think about your time like money. Sure, you can spend it on things like a fancy car, but what are you actually buying? You're not just spending $50,000. You're giving away 3 years of your life. Years that you could have spent doing something meaningful. What are you truly investing in? Think about the people in your life. As kids, we're all about family. As teens, it's friends. Then, as we get older, it's about partners, kids, and coworkers. But as we age, our social circle shrinks. Maybe your kids grow up and leave. Maybe your partner's not there anymore. That time alone, it's coming. So, why wait? Money is a tool. It can buy you time. If something takes you 10 hours but someone else can do it better and faster, why not invest in their expertise? If you can outsource the stress, why not? Your time is priceless. At the end of the day, if everything is a priority, then nothing truly is. Life's too short to chase things that don't matter. Invest your time in what makes you feel alive, in the people you love, in moments that bring joy. Because once that time's gone, there's no getting it back. Your time here is limited. How will you spend it? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content on love and relationships, and share this with your friends who might need a little help in the flirting department. Catch you in the next one. Thanks. Until then, do subscribe our channel Inspiring Ark for more amazing content.